Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to download and use custom fonts in CapCut. First, close the CapCut application completely. Now open any web browser on your computer. In the search bar, type DaFont. Open the DaFont website. Here you can see many stylish fonts. Choose any font you like. Click on the download button. Now open your downloads folder. Double-click on the downloaded font file. Now click on Install. After installation, close this window. Now open CapCut again. Click on Text and add a text layer. Type anything you want in the text box. Now go to the font list. Find the downloaded font here and apply it. That's it. This is how you can easily download and use custom fonts in CapCut. Thanks for watching.